Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter Bath and Body Works coupon. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is go to bathandbodyworks.com. I'm going to be using a web browser for this demonstration. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a random product in my cart. So I'm going to click on this eucalyptus spearmint refill bottle. So I'm going to go view cart. So I'm going to scroll up the top and then it says it's in the bag. So what I want to do is click view and bag and check out. As you can see, I'm inside my shopping bag. So once I'm inside your shopping bag, if you scroll down, there'll be a promotional code. So only one code can be applied per order. So go ahead and put the code in here, click apply. And if your code is say $20, it will take $20 off this, and you would only have to pay 84 cents using your credit card or PayPal.